Just a real quick video today on how to use copy and paste transpose. So there is some times where you get data and it is a column view, or maybe it is in a row, and you want to transpose it and move it to the opposite way. So this, I want these to be kind of across the top instead of just down from rows 1 through 11. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this. So, sorry, let me do Control C for copy. And then I want to right click. I want to paste space special. And then right here, there's multiple ways to get to the screen, but I want to transpose. And what will happen is you'll see that will paste in, and that is across top. I can now delete this, and there you go. And then I can do the same going the other way. So I copy this, click right here. I want to paste special, and then I want to transpose. And that will then transpose. I delete this first row, and I'm back to having these as rows. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please also share. Please go ahead and check out my other videos on my page. Have a great day.